Hello and welcome to another episode of Moose's Gear Goo Review. I'm Moose, and if you want to join the squad, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification down below so you can get notifications for all my new videos. On this channel, I like to do reviews of knives, gear, and tech for backpacking, camping, hiking, wilderness survival, all sorts of stuff, and travel. I think I screwed that up, but whatever. I review a lot of stuff. And today we have a mail call unboxing, and I had the company BRS reach out to me, and they wanted to send me some products to review. BRS is a knife company I'm not too familiar with, so I'm pretty excited to work with them. But they make some pretty sweet looking knives, some balisongs, some fixed blades, and then they're also like the parent company to Revo and Vault Case as well. So here's the package. I'm pretty excited because, like I said, I haven't gotten a chance to work with them, and they sent me out some product, and I'm going to give you my honest review of that product. But first, we're going to check out what they sent. I'm using an Opinel number 8. This is a French, traditional French style pocket knife from France, and I still need to do a review of that one myself. So let's see. And guys, as always, I will leave links down below. I'll leave links to all the sites for Revo and BRS and Vault Case, as well as some of their Instagram or social media sites as well. So definitely check that out. Oh, sweet. Okay. So, yeah. Oh, man. I was not expecting that. Looks like they sent me a flashlight. Okay, this thing feels really cool. RevoKnives.com. Check them out. I'll leave links down below. Oh. Okay. Okay, I think that's the Ness. Oh, yeah. Okay, that is rad. That is super cool. Wow. That is super cool. Okay. And when I review these, I will do full unboxings for these as well. So we got a little polishing cloth, another Revo. Oh, cool, 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 cool. So they have these sticker sets where you can kind of put together your own balisong. This is from BRS, which stands for Blade Runner Knives, or Blade Runner Systems, BRS, which is super cool. And then we got another Evolve. Ooh, nice looking case. That is a really nice case, kind of soft, hard cover. Oh, wow. That is a thick boy. Okay, that is awesome. Not sure what the model is, what this one is called, but this thing is nuts, and I'm loving it. Very, very cool. Thank you so much, BRS. I am excited to check these out and carry them. I'm excited for the flashlight, too. So yeah, guys, definitely looking forward to checking out these knives. I'm going to carry them for a week or two, and I should get back to you with some reviews. You know, I'm not as much of a knife collector as I am a user, but there's always collectability in knives, and there's always usability in knives. So I tend to focus more on the usability side, but very nice. Presentation-wise, already is really impressive. So yeah, make sure you check out the links, Blade Runner Systems down below, and Revo. I'll leave links to both of those, and I'll even throw in their link to their Vault Case series as well. I didn't even know they made a flashlight, so that's super awesome. So thank you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you've heard of these companies before, or if there's certain things you want me to check into when I'm testing these knives and reviewing them. Other than that, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this if you want to. And thanks for tuning in. Peace, and I'll see you outside.